here's what we're gonna do very first. Pop on some gloves. So I did not wear gloves last night when I made this concoction. So there's a little discoloration. It's not too bad. Even where I tested it on myself, it's been coming off. Been a few hours, few hand washes. It will stain the skin, but it doesn't seem to be in any kind of significant way, but I would still suggest glovies. Other things you need on hand, plastic wrap. Once you put it in, you're gonna wrap it up in plastic wrap nice and tight. Shower caps or some kind of head scarf to keep it nice and contained. This has to sit in your hair. The instructions say 1 to 4 hours. And the longer you leave it in, the more saturation there will be. What else do I got? Euro oil. It said in the directions that you can add some of that if you'd like. Little clippies to help separate the hair. My trusty brush that I'm gonna go through before I put it in. I don't think this is gonna do any good, but I don't know how else to apply it. So we're gonna see what happens. Okay, instructions said to start, this was advice from the lovely ladies, start at sectioning off the base of the neck and work your way upward, fully saturate it. The term that she used that I love is that there are no trickle down hennanomics. So if it's not directly intruding the hair particle, it's not gonna color it. So get it in there, saturate it, wipe the skin after, make sure you wipe it down, and then wrap it up nice and tight. So I'm gonna brush out first, and then we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna, I don't know if you saw, I almost got in my eyeball. Thank goodness they're natural processes and not chemicals. Morrocco method saved me from going blind. Okay. Clean it up here. I'm gonna start in the back, and I'm just gonna, that seems like that was a good place to start, you know, just keep it all up in there. And this actually feels kind of nice. It's being squished in there. And it's kind of soothing in a weird way, because it's also a little cold and wet. All right, I'm gonna have to do this one a little different. So if I could give you some advice while I'm doing this, definitely have somebody nearby to help you, and make sure that you're getting consistent coverage. Look, I'll give myself a little bolt. Who says that Morrocco Method's henna can't be cute? Nobody said that. You're fly, remember that.